In this video, we are going to look at how to find an angle of a triangle given all the three sides. So as you can see here, the question says calculate angle ABC. Angle ABC. So the middle letter here indicates the vertex at which that angle is. So the angle is at B. So here, this is the angle they are asking us to find. So whenever you're given all the three sides of a triangle and you're being asked to find an angle, it means you are supposed to use the cosine rule. So this is B, capital letter B. On the opposite side here, you write a small letter B. This is A, then you have a small letter A this side. This is C, you have a small letter C this side. Okay? Next, to come up with the cosine rule that is going to calculate this angle, first of all, you are going to say the side that is opposite to the angle, which is B. So we're going to say B squared is equal to, then we are going to use these two sides that are forming the angle that we are being asked to find. So we're going to say A squared plus C squared minus the same sides that are forming the angle that we are being asked to find. Then 2A, then C, cos. The cos is cos B, the angle that we are looking for. So cos B. Okay? Next, we just have to replace. What is B? B is 2.8. So we are going to have 2.8 squared this side is equal to A is 2.5 squared plus C is 1 squared minus 2 times A is 2.5 times C is 1, then times cos B. Okay? When you square this on a calculator, you are going to have 7.84 is equal to, when you square 2.5 then plus 1, you are going to have 7.25, then minus 2 times 2.5 is 5 times 1 is 5 times cos B. So you have 5 cos B. Okay, so our aim is to find what B is, the angle. So meaning on the right, aim at remaining with this term that has the variable or the angle that you are looking for. Meaning this term has to be removed from the right hand side and be taken to the left. In other words, we are just collecting like terms together. So we'll remove this by additive inverse. This is 7.25 positive. So for us to remove this, we are going to subtract 7.25. So what we've done here, we also do the same on the right, on the left. So we have negative 7.25. Okay? 7.84 minus 7.25, you have 0.59 is equal to, this becomes a 0 minus 5 cos B. Okay? Our aim is to remain with the cos B. So we are going to divide both sides by negative 5, negative 5. So the negative 5 will divide. Then what will remain is cos B. So we'll have cos B is equal to, negative 0.59 over 5. So for us to find what angle B is, we are going to multiply through by cos inverse. Okay, we'll take cos inverse on both sides. And when we take cos inverse on both sides, we're going to see that this cos and the cos inverse will cancel. So what will remain is B is equal to cos inverse of this, negative 0.59 over 5. Okay? So you have B is equal to cos inverse of this. You are going to see that you are going to have 96.77. So these are degrees. Okay. So let's round this answer off to one decimal place or three significant figures. So we have B is equal to 96.8 degrees. So you conclude and say, therefore, angle ABC is equal to 96.8 degrees. So this is 96.8 degrees and it's an obtuse angle. You can even see that it's making sense if you come back to your to a triangle here. This is an obtuse angle, an angle that is more than 90 degrees. Okay, but less than 180. So this is the angle that we are looking for. So 96.8 degrees. Thank you very much for watching. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, comment, hit the like button and share. Goodbye. See you in the next video.